Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Caterpillar Junhang at your service. If you see the monitor of this machine, it is a 220 PC220-8. Okay, so if you see at this warning and also the airflow heater, okay, again this warning is showing always on the monitor. Okay, this warning, so we will remove that warning. Okay, so to anyone who do not know how to remove that warning, this is the way. F6. Okay, as you can see, that warning is based on the hour use, so meaning they reach the maximum service hour. Okay, so no one will do this resetting, but now we need to reset it. Okay. Ay, there's a problem on aircon, AC. So again, see, it is full. It is meaning they hits the maximum. So what to do, we will reset it. So press arrow down to choose which one you want to reset. Long press and then press OK. Yes, and then reset done. Okay, 00. So after that, after all the process, all the service maintenance is already reset. As you can see, you will see the result. Okay, we cannot do it at one time, just do it one by one. So that's it. That's the process how you can reset the service maintenance. That sometimes become annoying by looking at the warning, red color warning on the monitor. So if you do not know what to do, this is the process. Okay, okay. Long press again. Maybe you do not know, long press the check or the sign of check, and then yes. Okay, and then proceed to the next. Long press. Okay, yes. A reset is done. Again, reset. Yes, yes. Okay, after that the annoying color or red warning will be gone. Okay, everything is done. That's it. This is the only thing I can share for now, just to remove the annoying color. But the next step that I have to make is the air ventilation. airflow. The airflow is assigned with the heater, but I think the problem is aircon L01 aircon system abnormal. So that process will be due by next. Okay, at first, from now on, you just only remove the annoying color or warning from the monitor. Okay, so I hope that this video can make help for anyone. Okay, again, this machine is a PC220-8 LC. Okay, Komatsu Caterpillar John Hank at your service. Thank you for watching. And additional information, there's one of my subscriber, they asking about the consumption, fuel consumption, the normally fuel consumption in one day. Okay, so as we can see, the average fuel consumption in one liter per hour, okay, liter per hour, it is 14.7. So average fuel consumption actual working, it is 18.5 liter per hour working. So fuel consumption is 1 liter. That is the variation. Okay, I hope that this extra information will be help for anyone that thinking about the fuel consumption of the PC220 excavator. That's 8.